Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today's my segment is on addiction, as many of viewers asked me to make video on addiction. Now, before I start my segment, I would like you to subscribe, like, comment and share my channel if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel. Before I talk about addiction, first we have to know what is drug. Drug is basically a substance which alters the chemistry of your brain. Now, if we have to define addiction is basically psychological and physical inability to stop consuming a substance, drug, chemical, or inability to refrain from an activity which can be psychologically or physically harmful to you. Now, addiction is not just substance dependence. Substance dependence means that you can't stop yourself from consuming a substance like heroin, cocaine, or marijuana. But addiction is also an inability to stop yourself from indulging in an activity which is psychologically or physically harmful to you, such as gambling, eating, or work. This addiction is also known as behavioral addiction or non-chemical addiction. Now, addiction is a chronic illness which can also be by overuse of prescribed medicine. Now, in addiction, the person or the addict start using that substance or getting indulged in the activity voluntarily, but after a time period, the addiction takes over and the person loses self-control. Now, the misuse of medication and addiction are two different things. Misuse refers to taking excessive, incorrect, or non-prescribed medicine to feel better, whereas addiction is an illness in which you are unable to cease or stop using that substance or medications. Now, if we talk about symptoms of an addicts has difficulty in controlling or are unable to control use of that drug or getting indulged in activities. Now, they start having a disturbed relationship or conflicts in relationship. They start losing interest in daily routine activities and the work they are supposed to do, and they start depending on the substance to perform their daily routine activities. Now, they are also seen that their self-hygiene profoundly deteriorates and they are unable to look after themselves. They also have conflicts with people around them. They start depending on medicine or chemicals, drugs, and start taking risky behavior to obtain that substance and chemicals. Now, they also become secretive and start hiding the substance they are using or the activities they get indulged to. So you have to keep eye on these things, as this show that the person is getting indulged or getting addicted to something, as addiction is an illness, so it should be considered as illness. Many people don't talk about addiction or feel addiction is something, a bad habit or something which is in control, but that's a myth. Whereas addiction is an illness which have to be worked on through medication and counseling. So I will be doing more videos on addiction. Till then, take care and look after yourself and the people around you, so you can find out if anyone is starting to get indulged in these activities or addiction. So keep learning, keep growing. Take care. Bye.